Hello students, in your last session you learned 6 elements of promotion mix. The each elements we have to discuss in a detailed way. The first one is personal selling. You know there are different types of customers. Each customer is different and how to wow them. We also learned that to make a sale you should treat him or her with lots of love and care. When you go to buy something, sales professionals came forward to help you. They explain the features of the products and possible demonstrations and even offer attractive discount. Other time, salespeople knock your door to sell products like water purifiers, vacuum cleaners, etc. This is called personal selling. It is the old selling technique but extremely useful in this today's world. Even when the world is moving the word e-commerce, some situations like sales in the highest range or the sale of new concept or services will need personal selling. Today we will understand the techniques of personal selling better with the help of Minnie story. This is the story of Minnie, young and enthusiastic girl. Minnie works for a publishing house and her job is to sell the children education books and CDs. However, she is not getting enough sales. Oh, my sales are dipping. I am trying really hard, but with that thought in mind, Minnie consult friends and take training sessions on personal selling. In the training program, Minnie learned about personal selling and also the 6 steps in the personal selling process. The first step 1 is prospective, and step 2 is pre-approach, and step 3 approach, and step 4 presentation, and step 5 close, and the last step is follow up. Now let's look at the how Minnie used personal selling process to increase her sales. The first one, step 1, that is prospective. In simple terms, prospective is the process of looking for and identifying the people who may buy your product or services. Now Minnie knew her neighbor treating well. She identified all the houses around her locality which had children and created a spreadsheet with details like house number, owner's name, etc. This has become her potential customer pool of customer base. The second step is pre-approach. This stage involves the collection of relevant details before approaching the customers. You can carry this out on new customers as well as the existing ones, and that's exactly what Minnie did. The keyword is where relevant details. The keyword is here relevant details. So she collected information as how many children and their ages and timing to approach them and add it all to her Excel spreadsheet. Then third one is approach. What is approach? Before taking to the customer, it is important that how we will sell and what will be sale. This is our approach. You can use the FAB technique to craft your approach. What do you mean by FAB? FAB stands for features, advantages and benefits. Minnie prepared her sales pitch by focusing on the important features of books and CDs at interactive format, use of multimedia and rich graphics and so on. The advantages of learning through this using the pocket size which would let you carry books anyway. The speed at which the children learn basic maths, English and so on. Finally, she added the benefits which was vaping 20% discount on only for her first 100 customers and valid only till the end of the month. So we are moving on the step 4, that is presentation. After the days of hard work, now was the time for the actual presentation. Minnie felt much more confident because she know she done her homework. He decided on a date and target it to make a presentation at least 2 customers on the first day. And on Monday morning, she set out to the first house. She wore her favorite black blazer and she felt nervous in the beginning. But as she delivered her well-prepared presentation, she saw her customers showing interest. Suddenly, she started enjoying herself. And then step 5. What is step 5? That is closer. She then closed her first deal with necessary formalities and as promised she offered a 20% discount to his customers. The 6th step is follow up. Minnie did not stop to end. She followed up to the customers to check if they liked her books and CDs and also took feedback from him. She took the feedback positively. This way she is able to establish trust with her customer. Remember, happily customer means more customers. You must remember, happy customer means more customers. So, did you enjoy Minnie's story? Did you notice how the personal selling process helped her sell books? You can also try this method to get sponsors for your college programs or when you become an entrepreneur. So this is the story of Minnie and she sell her books and CDs in the personal selling process. So these are the 6 steps involved in the personal selling process. I sum it up: prospecting, pre-approach, approach, presentation, close-up and follow-up. So these 6 steps plays an important role in the personal selling aspects. So this is all about personal selling and the process of personal selling. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.